Travel and hobbies.
Hey, where are you going?
Hi, I'm going to the railway station.
Oh, are you traveling somewhere?
Yes, I'm going to Mumbai for a vacation.
That sounds great. How long will you stay there?
I'll stay for a week.
Have you been to Mumbai before?
No, this is my first time.
What places do you plan to visit there?
I want to see Marine Drive, Gateway of India, and Juhu Beach.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What's your favorite destination so far?
I really enjoyed visiting Goa last year.
Besides traveling, what are your hobbies?
I like reading books and playing the guitar.
Oh, that's interesting. What kind of books do you read?
I enjoy reading novels and self-improvement books.
Do you play the guitar professionally?
No, I play it as a hobby. I'm still learning.
That's cool. Do you take online lessons?
Yes, I watch YouTube tutorials to improve my skills.
That's great. Have a safe journey to Mumbai.
Thank you. See you soon. Food and daily routine.
Hey, what are you eating?
Hi. I'm eating a sandwich.
That looks delicious. Did you make it yourself?
Yes, I made it at home.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta and biryani.
Do you prefer spicy food or sweet food?
I like spicy food more.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have toast, eggs, and a cup of tea.
That sounds healthy. What about lunch?
For lunch, I eat rice, vegetables, and some dal.
Do you eat out often?
Not really, I prefer homemade food.
That's good. What's your daily routine like?
I wake up at 6 a.m., exercise for 30 minutes, then have breakfast.
That's great. What do you do after that?
I go to college and attend my classes.
What do you do in the evening?
I read books, watch English videos, and sometimes go for a walk.
That's nice. Do you sleep early?
Yes, I try to sleep by 10 p.m.
That's a good habit.
Thanks. What about your routine? Sports and fitness.
Hey, do you like sports?
Yes, I love playing football.
That's great. How often do you play?
I play every evening with my friends.
Are you part of a team?
Yes, I play for my college team.
Have you ever played in a tournament?
Yes, we participated in an inter-college competition last month.
Wow. Did you win?
No, but we reached the semifinals.
Do you watch football matches on TV?
Yes, I never miss big matches.
Who is your favorite football player?
I really admire Cristiano Ronaldo.
Besides football, do you do any other exercises?
Yes, I go jogging every morning.
That's good. How long do you jog?
Around 30 minutes daily.
Do you follow a healthy diet?
Yes, I try to eat more fruits and protein-rich food.
That's important for fitness. Do you go to the gym?
No, but I do home workouts.
That's great. Staying active is very important.
Yes. Do you play any sports? Technology and social media.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hi. I'm checking my phone.
Are you on social media?
Yes, I'm scrolling through YouTube Shorts.
Do you use social media a lot?
Yes, but I try not to spend too much time on it.
Which social media apps do you use the most?
I use YouTube and WhatsApp.
Do you create content or just watch?
Sometimes I post pictures and videos.
That's cool. Have you ever made a YouTube video?
No, but I want to start a YouTube channel.
What kind of videos would you make?
Maybe travel vlogs or tech reviews.
That sounds interesting. Do you follow any tech channels?
Yes, I watch tech reviews to learn about new gadgets.
Do you like the latest technology?
Yes, I love learning about new smartphones and laptops.
Which phone do you use?
I have a Samsung Galaxy, but I want to upgrade.
Are you planning to buy a new phone?
Yes, maybe next month.
Nice. Do you prefer Android or iPhone?
I like Android because it's more customizable.
Good choice. Technology is evolving so fast.
Yes. What's your favorite gadget? Shopping and fashion.
Hey, where are you going?
Hi. I'm going to the mall.
Oh, are you going shopping?
Yes, I need to buy some new clothes.
That's great. What kind of clothes are you looking for?
I want to buy some casual t-shirts and jeans.
Do you like branded clothes?
Not really. I just look for good quality and comfort.
Do you shop online or in stores?
I prefer online shopping because it's more convenient.
But don't you worry about the size and fitting?
Sometimes, but I check reviews before buying.
That's smart. Do you follow fashion trends?
Not much. I wear what I feel comfortable in.
Do you have a favorite clothing brand?
I like Zara and Levi's for casual wear.
What about shoes? Do you like sneakers?
Yes, I love collecting sneakers.
Do you have a big collection?
I have around 5 pairs, but I want more.
That's cool. Do you like accessories too?
Yes, I like wearing watches and sunglasses.
Nice. Shopping is always fun.
Yes. Do you want to come with me? Weekend plans and entertainment.
Hey, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Hi. Yes, I'm planning to watch a movie.
That sounds fun. Which movie?
I want to watch the new action film in theaters.
Do you like action movies?
Yes, but I also enjoy comedy and sci-fi.
Nice. Do you usually watch movies at home or in the theater?
Mostly at home, but sometimes I go to the theater with friends.
What else do you do on weekends?
I like going out with friends or just relaxing at home.
Do you play video games?
Yes. I love playing adventure and racing games.
That's cool. Do you prefer PC games or mobile games?
I like both, but I play mobile games more often.
Do you read books in your free time?
Sometimes, especially mystery and thriller novels.
That's interesting. Do you listen to music too?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy pop and rock music.
That's great. Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I'd love to attend a live concert someday.
That would be amazing. Enjoy your weekend.
Thanks. You too. Travel and vacations.
Hey, do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
That's great. When was the last time you traveled?
I went to Manali last winter.
Wow. How was your trip?
It was amazing. The mountains were covered in snow.
That sounds beautiful. Did you try any adventure activities?
Yes, I went skiing and paragliding.
That's exciting. Which place do you want to visit next?
I really want to go to Goa.
Oh, Goa is amazing. Do you prefer beaches or mountains?
I like both, but beaches are my favorite.
Do you usually travel alone or with family?
Mostly with family, but sometimes with friends.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, long drives are so much fun.
Have you ever traveled by airplane?
Yes, once. It was an exciting experience.
Do you prefer trains or flights?
Flights are faster, but trains are more comfortable.
That's true. Do you take a lot of photos while traveling?
Yes, I love capturing memories.
That's awesome. I hope you get to visit Goa soon.
Thanks. Let's plan a trip together someday. Cool life and studies.
Hey, how was your day at school?
Hi. It was good, but a bit tiring.
Oh, did you have a lot of classes today?
Yes, we had 6 classes, including math and science.
Which subject do you like the most?
I enjoy English the most.
That's great. Do you like reading and writing?
Yes, I love writing short stories.
That's amazing. What about math? Do you like it?
Not really, but I try my best.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My English teacher. She makes learning fun.
Do you participate in school activities?
Yes, I take part in debates and sports.
That's awesome. What sport do you play?
I play badminton and sometimes football.
Do you have a lot of homework?
Yes, I have to complete a science project.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What's the topic?
It's about renewable energy.
That's a great topic. Do you like doing projects?
Yes, but sometimes they take too much time.
True. Do you study every day?
Yes, I study for a few hours in the evening.
That's a good habit. Keep up the hard work.
Thanks. Do you also like studying? Health and lifestyle.
Hey, how are you feeling today?
Hi. I'm feeling good. How about you?
I'm good too. Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I go for a morning walk every day.
That's great. How long do you walk?
Around 30 minutes. Keeps me active.
Do you do any other workouts?
Sometimes I do yoga and stretching.
That's a healthy habit. Do you follow a special diet?
Not really, but I try to eat healthy food.
What kind of food do you prefer?
I like homemade food, especially fruits and vegetables.
That's good. Do you drink enough water every day?
Yes, I try to drink at least 8 glasses of water.
That's important. Do you avoid junk food?
Not always, but I eat it in moderation.
Do you sleep early at night?
Yes, I try to sleep by 10 p.m.
That's a good habit. How many hours do you sleep?
Around 7 to 8 hours.
Perfect. A healthy routine keeps you energetic.
Yes. Do you also follow a healthy lifestyle?